Talks about the famous emperor Ashok, who was ruling the Maurya dynasty. But he was told to leave his kingdom, the place where he was born, and all that, because he picked a fight with one of his half brothers, Sishu. Because of which he was punished and sent as an exile to a place where he met Kareena Kapoor, and eventually they fall in love. And there's also Rahul Dev. So he has to prove his worth, he has to prove his innocence. And Ashok comes across lots of stories, and he was quite famous for India. So he also fought the battle, and ultimately he won over lots of people. He helped people. In between, they have said that Ashok was actually not a good person in the beginning. He used to kill people, but later on, after he took up Buddhism, he changed his ways and he realized his folly. Self-realization is the first step towards improvement. He realized that whatever he has been doing, it's wrong. So he took up Buddhism, and then he changed as a person, and he came to be a very famous personality in the Indian annals of history. And he was the Emperor Ashok, the famous emperor for the Maurya Empire, Maurya Kingdom. But the journey, how he became a saint from an ordinary person who even committed crime, it's a must watch. And you will love the songs as well. It's a bit different, the location is also different, and it's shot also in that historical kind of background. So you will thoroughly, and the way they dress up and they put eyeliner till here. Kareena Kapoor has an eyeliner like a deer and her face is full of black marks on the, like she has put a black this thing on her forehead. So, and even he's Shah Rukh Khan as Ashok, he is also dressed up in a very tribal way, in a traditional way, with all lungi kind of, and even Kareena Kapoor for that matter. I hope you will enjoy it. 4.5 stars.